Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of HYIP Max investment website. So this is the latest version of HYIP Max investment website. As you can see, the universe theme, which is the new theme of HYIP Max, and it is a completely error-free script, which means that it is 100% working script. So first of all, in this video we will see the demo of this website and its admin panel. Then we will see how we can install the script and how we can set it up on our server. So let's start our video, but before moving towards our topic, if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is in description. You can contact us and you can easily buy the script on low price. So let's start this video. So first of all, here you can see the amazing homepage of this script, and it has 5 templates, which means that you can use 5 different websites at a time. So here is the home page. Here you can see join us section. Here are the plans. You can see the amazing view of these plans. So let me just adjust it. So here you can see the plans of this website. Here you can add and delete any section if you want from admin panel. So it is very easy to use and customizable. So this is the home page of this website, and you can also visit these pages separately. For example, I want to visit the investment plan section, so you can also visit these pages separately. And here is about section plan, here's the about section, and here is contact section, and this one is the blog page. You can also customize them and these pages according to yourself. And now let's go to our user panel and see how our user panel will looks like. Let's go and create account on this website as a user. So I'm just clicking on sign up because I don't have an account. So here you have to enter your first name, here you have to enter your last name, here you have to give your username. So I'm giving these details, and just enter your phone number. After that you have to enter your email. So I'm entering my email. And then I have to enter my password here. So let's enter the password, and after that click on this agree policy and click on register. So here it is asking that password confirmation doesn't match, so let's try some other password. So I am entering it again, and here click on I agree to policy and click on register. So our account has been created on our website. So here you can see that our account created successfully. So here is the dashboard of user. First of all, here you can see total balance, total withdrawals, total invest, current invest, total deposit. You can invest, you can see your current plan of investment, total pending invest, and some other options. And here's your referral link. You can send this link and refer your friends and family members. So here's investment. When you click on investment plans, you can easily invest in any of the plan you want. Just click on invest now, and you can easily invest using any of the gateways. So these are all the automatic payment gateways, and you can also configure manual payment gateways from the admin panel. So you don't need to worry about that. So here's the deposit section. You can see your deposits right here, and you can deposit money to your account, and you can see your deposit logs right here. So here's a withdraw section. Similarly as with deposit, you can use this withdraw to withdraw money from this account, and you can also transfer money from one account to another on this website. Here you can see money logs, total interest log, total transaction logs. You can see your referral logs. You can enable, disable your 2-factor authentication, and you can also generate sport ticket from sport option. You just have to click on sport, and you can easily create a ticket and communicate with admin of this site easily. So let's log into our admin panel and see how it looks like. So this is the general overview of user panel, and now we are going to our admin panel. So let's go to our admin panel, and I'm clicking on admin, and it will redirect me to my admin panel. So here you can see the amazing admin panel of this new website, and this is a completely new site. Here you can see your total deposits, total pending invest, total amount invest, total users on your site, total withdrawals, total pending withdrawals, and some charts related to invest and withdrawals. So here you can manage different roles on your website. You can set up different admins and you can give different roles to different people. Here you can manage admins. From manage plan, you can easily create plan on your website. So these are all the plans that are on our website, and you can create a new plan easily on your site just clicking on create plan. So this is how you can easily create plan. So you have to give plan name, range, and these simple details, and you can create plan easily. From manage user option, you can manage the users on this site. You can enable, disable different users. You can see their details. You can customize their details. You can add balances to their accounts, and whatever you want to do, you can do to the user. And here is a ticket option. Similarly, admin can view the tickets of user, manage referrals. You can manage the referral links. You can also use it as MLM's investment website. So you can make different type of referrals here, and as your choice. So here are the manual payment gateways. You can set up manual payment gateways from here. This section you can manage manual payments in this section. Here are withdraw section. You can manage withdraw, you can approve withdrawals and other things from here, and you can set up withdraw method easily from this section. And here's a manage deposits. You can approve deposit request. You can reject them from here. So when user requests a deposit, and the deposit request will be appeared here, and you can approve or disapprove that request. So these are the payment gateways. Here you can see the multiple payment gateways: PayPal, Stripe, Pay, and these are all the payment gateways you can use. And you can also create a manual payment gateway such as EasyPaisa, JazzCash, and you want to create. So here is how you can create a manual gateway easily. So you have to fill the simple details, and you can create a gateway easily on this site. So from email manager setting, you can manage the email settings. You can change templates of email. From general setting option, basically you can change the name of website from here. You can change deposit. You can change the site currency, base colors, enable, disable SMS and email verifications, and some other pictures on your website. You can change them. So let's go to other options. So this is, you can see that preloader settings and Google Analytics setting, cookie settings, Google reCAPTCHA settings. You can insert live chat on your website. You can manage SEO easily from here, and you can insert any language you want on this website. So the most amazing feature of this website is it's 5 themes. So here you can see that 5 themes are here, and you can use any of the theme you want. So now let's go to white theme and let's activate and see how our website will looks like. Similarly, you can use any other theme you want. So let's visit our website. So here you can see that our theme has changed successfully. So this is the white theme, which is the latest theme. So you can increase its readability from here. So this is the latest theme. Here you can see the live crypto prices, join HYIP Max, and some other investment plans here. So similarly, you can change any of the theme you want. So you can easily use any other theme. So similarly, you can use purple theme, gold theme, and other themes. So from here, you can manage interest, commission logs. From front end settings, basically you can change any of the section that is on your website easily from here. For example, I want to change the banner section of this website. So I will click on banner section, and you can easily change the image and text that is on banner from here, and you can easily submit it, and you can easily change this section. So this is how you can change any of the section you want. Similarly, you can change any section, and here you can update the system. Here reports, you can submit reports and newsletter setting. So now so this is the general overview of the site, and now we will see how we can install this script on our hosting server. So let's go and see it. So to install this script, first of all, you have to log in to your cPanel, or if you are using Hostinger, there will be your HPanel. So you have to log in to your cPanel or HPanel. The installation settings will remain the same. So now what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager. So this is our file manager, and I am installing this on my subdomain, but if you are using installing it on your main domain, you have to use this folder, which is public HTML. But now I am using my subdomain, so you can see that I've already uploaded my script, but you have to upload this script that I gave you. So here is how you have to just simply select the file and upload the zip file. After that, you will the file will be here, so you have to click on the file and click on extract, and you have to extract this file into your subdomain, and we have to wait for its extraction. So we are waiting. So file has extracted successfully. Now let's close it, and here you can see different files. So now you have to delete this file. I'm just deleting it, and these are all the files on our domain. So now what you have to do is you have to go to your cPanel tools, and here go to your database, and we are now going to create the database and user of database. So I'm creating database which is HYIP with the name of HYIP. You can use any of the name you want. So I'm clicking on go back. The database has created successfully. Now I'm creating user for this database. So now let's create a user with same name in order to avoid the confusion, and let's use the password. So hyipmax 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let's again hyipmax 1 2 3 4 5 6. So now click on create, and our user has created successfully. Now we have to connect database with user from this option. So we are here to add user to database. So choose your user. So this is my user, and choose your database which is with same name. So let's click on add, click on all privileges, and click on make changes. Now copy this name of your user and database. Both names are same in our case. Go to core, and here there is a .env file. Just edit this file. Go to this file, edit it, and here you have to enter that database name, and same you have to enter the username. So I am entering it, and here you have to enter your database password. So I am just entering it 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here you have to update this app link with your website link. So I am just using it on my subdomain, so I will update this link. Just go to your env file and update this link. So all the settings are good and complete. So click on save. So all work has done now. So one thing is remaining here, which is we have to use this database file. So here you can see the database SQL file. You have to download this file, and file has downloaded successfully. Go to your cPanel again, and here go to your phpMyAdmin. So this is my phpMyAdmin. Here you have to select your database. So this is my database with WebSparrow HYIP with the name. So click on import. After that, choose that database file that we have just downloaded. So this is the file, and click on import, and wait for its importation. So file has imported successfully. Now we are done with it. So just click on your demo, just write your domain name and just click enter, and here you can see that our site has established successfully and our script has installed successfully. So this is very easy to install. So now if you want to buy this script from us, just contact us on WhatsApp. We will support you. We will provide you 100% support, and will give you a best thing and best script 100% working. So don't worry about it. Just contact us and we will provide you the script. Or if you need the complete website with domain and name, with domain name and hosting, we will provide you the complete website on low price. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel.